Alright class, here is the video about the construction of a square given a circle. Okay, so we've constructed our circle and we've labeled it point A in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to construct a square like this, okay, so that all the vertices are touching the circle. So my first vertex, I'm going to start right about here, and you can pick this one anywhere you want and put it as point B. Okay. And so I'm going to use the diagonals of the square to help construct a square using the diagonals. So we draw a diagonal diameter from B through A down to the other edge, of the opposite edge of the circle. We're going to call that C. Okay. Now I need to construct a point up here, about here, where it is square to a 90-degree angle from C and from B. And it'll be the same distance if I use this radius here. Okay. So the diagonals of a square are perpendicular. Okay, so I can do a perpendicular line through A, perpendicular to B and C. In order to do that, I need to mark a little bit around A so that I can get a segment to go over halfway and go up and below, a little bit up above and a little bit below A. So I'm going to close my compass to just a small opening. As a small opening, just go a little bit around A. So I want to keep these as a little bit as discrete as I can. So here's one mark around A, and here's the other mark around A. I'm going to erase the other markings here. Okay. Now I have my segment around A, where A is in the middle. And so I'm going to open up my compass a little bit more than halfway, okay, and put my point on the edge of the segment and mark above and below A. Okay. Then I'm going to put the point on the other end of the segment and mark above and below A. Okay, so it looks like I missed a little bit on that mark, so I'm going to go back over to this mark here and keep that up there, to continue that one up there. Okay. So now I have these two intersections where I'll put my pencil on one, and I have the other diagonal that's perpendicular to the diameter. Okay. And it goes through here. Let's call this D. Let's call this E. Okay. So now I have the diagonals of my square, and the last thing I need to do is just draw in these segments. And there we are. Here is a square given a circle.